participatory methods for reflection. Putting aside time in school for a focused discussion, maybe with a critical friend or with a group, is essential in order to ensure that reflection becomes a regular practice for the teacher. It's important to have a facilitator in this regard, somebody who uses critical questions to help guide thinking and to ensure that there is deep reflection, deep thinking about the issues, maybe even to record the discussions for the teacher to reflect on at a later date. Such conversations and debate can occur with colleagues. They can occur with other professionals in the teaching environment, for example, school counsellors. It could be with other professionals working in different educational environments. It could even be, of course, with families, with parents of children. Essentially, what the teacher has to consider in this regard is the method. There needs to be careful description. There has to be thoughtful listening, and there has to be questioning feedback. For me, the two most important components here are thoughtful listening and questioning feedback. It's very difficult sometimes to listen to critique from others, and that does take a lot of courage from the teacher. There are types of questioning feedback, and these can be considered in terms of hot feedback, warm feedback, and cool feedback. Warm feedback consists of feedback which is very supportive and appreciative of what the teacher is saying. Cool feedback offers very different perspectives, questions about teaching, and raises questions about why the teacher took particular actions. Hard feedback challenges and extends thinking, actually raises the level of concern to a very critical and analytical point of view. So, as a participatory process, reflective practice allows colleagues and others to share ideas, share issues, and to seek suggestions and practical solutions between the group members in order to overcome the issues and problems. This is best of all done in small groups, not so well in large groups because there's too much interaction. With smaller groups also, it's easier for individual teachers to feel more comfortable sharing issues and problems. Hard feedback challenges and extends thinking and raises concerns in this sort of small group environment. As a participatory process then, the teacher in a small group can share the issue and also provide the context in which the problem or the issue arose, and themselves can frame key questions which the group can discuss and explore in order to try and find a resolution to that particular issue or problem. And so what that really relies on are questions which are very probing questions and questions which help to clarify understanding. The group can ask more questions to learn about the issue that the teacher is raising. And this leads into then, hopefully, an analytical evaluative discussion. The group discusses the issue using all types of feedback, both warm and cool feedback, and the group finds a way to address possible suggestions and solutions to the issue using the hard feedback approach. So using cool feedback, warm feedback, and hard feedback makes truly analytical and evaluative thinking about the issues in question.